the day. Welcome back. Welcome to the channel. All kind of stuff went on today. We did some night scrapping. We did some solar during the day. We had a special guest riding with us today. It's action packed. So if you would, please smash that like and subscribe button for us. We really appreciate it. It helps the algorithms get all of our stuff out to the masses. So thanks for stopping by, and onward with the showward. Bow. Good afternoon, good evening, and good night. No, it's not good night time yet. Don't talk like that. Here we are back. Extravaganza of scrapping that is gonna go on tonight. We just got the video finished from yesterday, which when you're watching this, you had already seen that one and seen what a train wreck it was. The camera didn't work, this didn't work, that didn't work. This stuff can kind of stay up here for right now. This is all the stuff that was left over. This needs to get cut down so we get more money. All this is computer parts. Look at all the tools in there. If you didn't catch it yesterday, this is what's left over from one of our mechanics. So all of this stuff we will either get all the microchips out of them or see if we can sell them. So I mean, just crazy amount of tools in here. So we're gonna take all these out. At some point in our lives we have to go through them. Start our day with a little ceiling fan action. It's a nice little one. My neighbors may want that. I think they got something like that already. And this one here, it's the high speed. Okay. Well, we're gonna steal the whole thing. We are gonna steal the whole thing tonight. And we'll cut the cord off. I'm really missing my little cutters. I think I need to go get another pair. It's something. There hasn't been a whole lot out. How you doing today, boss? Good, good. Have a great day. So we got a whole little table and chair set here. Probably gonna need to do a team lift on this one once we figure it all out. How you doing, boss?
Glad to see you take it and you go in a dump.
Yes, thank you so much. All right, we'll just slide that right in there. Try to stack these maybe. Oh, easy. Right around here. All these seats coming off. No, this one's still on. Let's see where we can go. It'd almost be better if all these seats came off. All right, that one's off. All right, holy golf clubs. Anybody want to go play golf? Ooh, where are we gonna put these so they're not crazy? Good rack of golf clubs. Let's see what else we got. A little TV. Ooh, some sawhorses. Cool. Oh, wow. Whole thing over here. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Are you looking
I recycle metal, so we'll take all the metal out of here. And then like we also do like kids toys, stuff like the little toys that everybody throws away. We resell those and stuff like that. Yeah. Yeah, no worries. Okay. Awesome. Thank you so much. What is that thing? That is a stereo. Take this. Oh. Oh, a hockey stick. It's neat. A little skills bat. Woo. All right, I think we are gonna take that karaoke machine too. Says it works. Like, heck yeah. Then that works for me. Oh, awesome.
Got a bed frame coming.
Oh, perfect. Does he need help or is it good? Okay. Ah, very good. Thank you. Perfect timing. Let's see here. This thing is huge. Huge, huge, huge. You know what? The first thing that is going in the truck. I think the truck is also going to be safe passage. Safe passage to a lot of this stuff. When it goes in the truck means you can't touch it. All teddy bears. Stuffed animals. Oh, that one's dirty. God, y'all know it. Y'all already know it. I am just a sucker for a teddy bear. If nothing else, we will get them donated. Hopefully some little kid. Ooh. Missing a pedal on this one. Hopefully our man Rusty can get that all straightened out. Oh, it's a nice bike though. Really lightweight. Team lift, by the way. Team lift. Team lift. Alright, just for now. This is a little bit of chaos. We are taking them all. Big and small. Near and far. Let's get this bike over here for right now, so we can pile some more stuff in. And this stuff we're not even going to be able to run until, is it metal underneath? We'll leave that here. We're not even going to be able to run this until tomorrow afternoon, maybe, if we're lucky. Thought I saw a handle popping up. I think I see a handle. And there it was. Call me the pan man. Yes, sir. We're doing pretty good. Nothing big, but a lot of little stuff, so we like that. Yeah, this house usually leaves us some goodies. We are getting there tonight. Almost time to break out the lights. Starting to go down a little bit. Let's see what we got. Just keep stacking. If we ain't getting no big stuff tonight, that's fine, because we're just gonna start stacking it in. I like it. All right, look at that. Some nice chairs, some nice, I don't want to call those chairs, pews, church pews. Where are we gonna put them? These things are ginormous. Ginormical even. I didn't even know that was a word. I mean, yeah, I guess if we can get it right in the front like that, we'll take this one. Oh, that was a big team lift, by the way. Me, you, and them. Team lift. We got another one coming in, hot and heavy. And 5, 4, 3, 2 team lift. Let's go. It ain't stopping tonight. It just keeps on hitting. Do 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 do. Oh, this thing. This thing. That's all you're gonna hear me say about it is this thing. We need a big team lift. On 3, 2, and 1, up we go. And team lift is in effect. Full effect. Full effect. See you later, bye. Oh, still had a little water in it. Boom. All right, start stacking this backside here. Should have brought the light out. We'll bring the light out on the next call. This thing is not wanting to cooperate. Why don't you want to cooperate? Why don't you want to be my friend? Because you're going to recycle me. Yep, well, better than you going in a landfill. We're going to just wobble and wobble, wobble. Drop it like it's hot. I don't know. Feels like, you know, we're getting a little somewhere tonight. Everybody's favorite game. Is it stinky or is it not? Oh, and it is. I mean, it really ain't stinky, and I think that's just water. Where are we gonna put it? Little bike frame. It's a nice little frame. See if Rusty wants it. If not, you know where it goes. Why is that so? Why is this so loose? What are you doing? There's 2 filing cabinets. I'm thinking I can get one of them. I can get this one right in here. Team lift on 3, 2, 1. Yep, yep, yep. Come on, baby. There she is. There she is. Get you right up in there. Oh my God. What a joke. Seems pretty good. You gonna open? Nope. All right, let all these cars go by. Oh, what do we do now? What if we just try to get it right here and strap it in with one of these? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Do you think that we can get it up on there? Nope. You know the golden rule though. You touch it, you own it. Gonna have to figure it out. Did that actually work? Nope. Another nope. It's two nopes. Please don't hit me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Dude. Yeah. Don't do it. Dude, I don't know. I'll be back. I don't know if we're out of the cliff yet, but we're definitely definitely something. Oh my God, dude, that thing was like, get out of here. Oh, dude, that hurt. That hurt my soul. That hurt everything. We are done. We are done. This is it. I don't care what else we see. We are done. Oh my God. Dude, that one really hurt. Anytime you hear me say something hurt my soul, shaking. We ain't getting nothing else. I am done. Have kicked my butt. Let's go home. I'll see you guys in the AM. All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. We are here at UMA Solar and we just picked up our materials and we are heading out to the job. So we will see you there. Big solar day. Let's put some solar panels back on. Full solar. See ya. All right, how you doing? Hey, how you doing? So we made it out. Mostly everything today is going to be on the tripod. So we'll bring you in the back here when we get started and we'll set it up, show you some things, and bada bing, bada boom. So, all right, welcome back. What I'm gonna do is try to bring you guys through on pretty much all the steps. So first step is prepping everything. So we have a bunch of these right here, which is the footer. This is what the panel head actually rests in, like that. Then there's a top that goes over the top of it, but we gotta scrape these. So I have a trash bag, because you want to keep up cleanliness. You don't want this stuff all over the person's yard. And then I got a scraper. So we're literally just going to get our trash bag ready here. And then I'm just gonna scrape these right off. Boom. So you see, so you want to get it to like a flat bottom so that when we put new sealant down, it gets a nice fit on it. So I'm going to do this with about 12 of them, and then we'll be back. All right, so just to show you here, some of this may be just me grabbing it. We got all these cleaned up as much as they're going to be cleaned. And then we glued on that fitting because it's always a little easier to glue it on down here than it is up there. That's the other end of it right over here. We're gonna end up gluing this one up on the roof. Maybe keep it attached to the panel, maybe detach it, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So, next step is we're gonna come over here. And what we're gonna do is let y'all watch me. We're gonna secure these to the wall. That is the next step in our process. Step after that is we're now going to glue our couplings on there. We got to start backwards when we're putting stuff back. Normally the panels would be down, we'd run all the piping, and then we'd connect everything. But since all my piping is already set in place, I have to go backwards and get all the pipe up there and then bring everything to that. So we're just gonna glue on a couple couplings real quick. All right, so that's all the gluing we're doing for right now. We're gonna start putting the panels down, getting this thing secured, and then we'll come back and we'll glue in the last one. All right, as you can see, that's how we find the trusses. being up here on the roof, we don't have a lot of, you know, x-ray vision or anything like that. So that's how you bang out the trusses. So there's 4 panels, so there should be 8 up here. Maybe 1 extra. I noticed there was a couple extra on the thing. So we are going to keep banging these out, and then we'll bring our header mounts up and I'll show you that. You can see what we put at the bottom of the foot. And then with this, it's kind of important that you get your foot can move it up a little bit. All right, and that's how we're gonna do each foot, just like that. We were right in a truss, nice into a truss. So we're gonna go through and we gotta put 8 on the top. All the top ones get 2 bolts. Expansion, contraction, we wanna hold it right there. So we will be back in a little bit. So we got the first 2 down. On this part, it's kind of important that we bring our panel up and make sure that everything's good before we start running all the way through. So I'm gonna bring you back down on the ground and you can watch me bring one of these panels up on the roof. And then I'll lay it down flat and then we'll probably bring you back up again. Okay, and that's the process. We're just gonna keep going from there. I will probably bring you back once all the panels are up. It's just the same process. We're gonna put down the next 2 feet and then we'll bring up the next panel and we'll connect them up. Put on the next 2 feet, bring up the next panel, connect them up, bring up the next panel, boom, 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 boom. So that's gonna be our life for probably the next half hour, 45 minutes. So we'll bring you back in a little bit. Boom bada. As you can see, there you go. All 4 are up. We put in all the header mounts. They all went in so beautifully. Nice and tight. So the next step is I'm gonna put those same header mounts that we put at the top. 8 more go across the bottom. And then glue in that piece of pipe. And we are done. Okay, there we are. The pool is back on. Solar is good. We're gonna leave it running for a few minutes while we put everything up and then we'll check it one more time. So, there you go. Hope we didn't bore you too much. Brought you in on the basics of it. So, another job done. Yay, yay, yay. All right, well, we're gonna start picking up. Check it one more time and back to the house. Gotta get that trailer and off to E&H. All right, we're here at the yard. We brought a sidekick. Claire Bear's with us. Let's show them the yard. Show them. They just put down some new gravel right here in the yard, so that's good. So we're gonna unload this thing real quick and be on our way. We got the Claire Bear with us. Little mishap. It's all right. Say bye. 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 Just so you can see that I delivered it to Miss Jill.
Thank you, Carl Chris.
There you go. So I got the other 3 here. We're gonna give these to Jeff, and we will have done our job. Woo-wee. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. Boom. Kind of feels nice. How y'all doing? Yeah. What up? Living the dream. You wanna do light?
Huh?
You wanna do light?
How's she doing? Hi.
She's the quiet one.
She's the quiet one?
Yeah.
It's your sister that's the motor mouth?
Yeah. Yeah. I was surprised. I went to go throw these off and I'm like, oh man, those are aluminum.
That'll probably fit right next to it.
That's right. Absolutely. Oh, 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 oh. Holy goodness. Yes, sir. Pots and pan man.
Oh, there's more.
Huh?
I gotta mark those down.
What?
That's my game.
Oh, this is yours? Nice.
Yeah.
There you go, there's 2. 2 for you, boo-boo. Little mini motor.
What is this madness?
I know, dude. I'm so happy that we got done. We're gonna keep all this. We're gonna keep all the poles. We're gonna keep that.
A lot of people are happy to see you back.
We try, man.
I know.
We try.
Still got no golf clubs.
I just got them last night.
One guy, you almost had Mikey sold. On
the rim, yeah, you almost got me.
You were close.
You almost got me. Oh, I got this too. Anything good? Here?
You're gonna save your boards, right?
Yeah.
Until the end of the week?
Well, I already got a whole bin full from last week. Okay. Cool, man. Yeah. I got a guy who buys them all off of me.
You are 88% your goal.
Not the worst, not the best, not the worst.
Yeah.
All right, brother.
See you later.
Thank you.
Bye. See you, Mike.
Say bye. Where's the hammer? There's the hammer. Let's go. Okay, ladder time. Ladder splatter. Just giving you a little extra. Oh, it's got a hole in the bottom. Will not work. Let's take this as well. This is mostly all plastic. So, all right, well, that's gonna be it. That's a day. We just seen this on the way home, so. Tell him, Clary. Say that's a day.
That's a day.
That's a day. Okay, quote of the day, quote of the day, quote of the day. Each day brings new opportunities, allowing you to consistently live with love. Be there for others. Bring a little light into someone's day. Be grateful and live each day to the fullest. Kyle McClear. That's powerful, ain't it? That is powerful. I put grateful today. I'm just feeling it's hitting me, you know. I'm very grateful. Very grateful. I had Clary with me today. We got this new truck, you know. We just grateful that everything worked out. You know, even reflecting on how I handled last week, it was emotional, you know. It was very emotional. So grateful that we came through it. I knew we would come through it, you know, but it's always those tough times build us and build our character so that we can appreciate these tough times, so that we can appreciate the good times. We can flourish through the tough times and get to the good times. And then you look back on it and you're like, oh, maybe that wasn't so bad. We got through it. So anyway, I hope we bring a little sunshine into all y'all's lives every once in a while. We try to stay nice and positive, so appreciate you guys. Okay, that is a wrap. It's a wrap. That's a wrap. So about 1,060 pounds. I thought it was going to be more than that, but we're not complaining. For 88.20, we had 960 in tin. We had 86 pounds in Irony All Light, and we had 12 pounds of the Clean Machine. So very good, very good. That was good enough. And then we did that plumbing stuff. We got paid on that. I get paid pretty good for that stuff. I get 200 a panel. So you see that today, made about 800 bucks. So yeah, so overall almost a $900 day. It's a good day. It's a good day. So, where are we at with everything? I don't even know where we're at with everything. That's a day. We had the Clary with us. Went out and did it last night. So, yeah, it was a good night. We battled with that cabinet, getting it up there, but we got it, man. We got it. Feeling really good. I'm feeling really optimistic, powerful, you know. So, thank you all for rolling with us. We really appreciate it. I want to keep this one short today, in and out. You guys are the best. I can't say enough about y'all. Thank you for everybody who supports us, everybody who gets in the comments. I'm trying. I carve out a portion of the morning to try to get to everybody's comments. Some days are better than others. Usually at night, by the time I get home after this day, I am spent. I just want to... So... once again, thank you everybody. We appreciate it. There's something I wanted to tell you guys, and I'm like, oh, I haven't been telling them this. What was it? I don't know. I'll remember once we're done. Once we're done and I'm inside, I'll be like, oh, I didn't tell them that. That's how it goes sometimes. I don't know if I told you guys, but my birthday was last Saturday. During all the craziness, turned 44. 44, the big 44. And that works out for me because my favorite number is 8. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. So it's the year of the 8, the infinity sign. Gotta love it. So anyway, that's it. Thank you all for stopping by. Thanks for joining us. If you could, check us out on all of our social media. I've been slacking on it lately, but we're gonna get right back to it. We only got 5% left, so we better right in the, you know. We have Junkman 5000 on everything except Twitter, where we are the Junkman 5000. Get to our store over at junkman5000.com. Check out Sugar Bee Cookie Company. Get over to see all the men in black. The Packer Scrapper, who's on vacation. I didn't even know he's on vacation this week. I feel like I just seen him. Packer Scrapper, Nacho Stuff, Non-Ferris Jeff, And yeah, big shout out to Miss Jill and Miss Karen and everybody there at the yard. So thank you all so much. There is no us without you. Team Lift is more than just physical. So if you can help somebody out today, I truly, truly hope you do that, and I commend you for it. So y'all have a great day. We're gonna wrap this thing up, and we'll see you when? On the next one.